Hey there! Today we'll walk you through the process of creating a lease in TenantCloud. First, head to the Contacts page and select Tenants subpage from the left side menu. Find the tenant you'd like to create a lease for, click the three-dot menu next to their name, and select Move In. Then select either Easy or Advanced Move-In Scenario and press the Get Started button. In the Property Information and Terms section, enter the lease details such as property, lease number, lease type, and lease term. If you want to add a co-tenant to the lease, click on the Tenants field and select the desired tenant from the drop-down menu. Then select the invoicing type and press the Next button. In the Recurring Rent section, enter the recurring details like invoice schedule, first invoice date, due date, and amount. To add a deposit invoice, click on the Add Deposit link in the Deposit section and enter the needed information. You can also add additional one-time or recurring invoices to the lease by clicking on the Add Transaction link in the Other Lease Transactions section. Once you're done with this step, press the Continue button. In the Late Fee Settings section, you can add a one-time late fee, a daily late fee, or both. Once the late fees are set up, make sure to set up a grace period for rent payments. The Management Fee section allows you to set up both first and ongoing rent commissions. In the Utility Providers Settings section, you can enable the toggle buttons next to the services you want your tenants to set up. Click View Providers to review the providers offered by the system. Then, in the Utilities section, select who is responsible for paying and maintaining the utility service. Press the Continue button to move to the next step. Lastly, if you want your tenants to get renter's insurance, enable the required toggle button and select the tenants responsible for purchasing it. Press the Complete Move-In button to finish the process. That's it. You have created a lease and finished the move-in process for your tenant. Thanks for watching. Enjoy using TenantCloud.